Cheshire cat who's grinning at me, grinning from ear to ear. He seems to know a lot more than me. He doesn't fear anything, he's very straightforward with me. Sometimes he seems so rude, and he really makes sense to me. What he says is really true. Crazy as a Cheshire cat, but not really as crazy as all that. Who's to tell who's crazy or not? Me or the Cheshire cat? And his smile seems to stay long after easy words other people say. He's the kind of friend everybody